Alright, it's recording. So, Swift just announced something. It hit my Qualcomm today, this morning. I just got done reading it, and I'm absolutely thrilled about it. So, let's take a look at what I'm talking about. So, this is what I saw first, and you can read it, and pause the video to read all the way through it. But long story short, and whoa, that's probably close up of my face because I'm using my cell phone to make a quick video so I can upload this to my YouTube page. In short, it says come to the Swift page. So here you go. I just uploaded loaded the deal. Long story short, both company and owner operators are going to get personal conveyance time. Okay. Now they're saying 1 hour. Now are they going to be really tight on that 1 hour rule or not? That is yet to be known. But you know what? 1 hour is good enough for me to get to Walmart, go get food, whatever. Kind of like they were saying down here. You know, being able to go to a movie store right here. Grocery store, movies, you know, whatever, during a 34. That 1 hour deal, awesome sauce. I'm loving it. So, yeah, I'm really going to like this. Line 5 is generally what it's called, but we now have it. Oh, let's take a look at the computer and see if my Qualcomm, if I got the line 5 yet. I don't think I saw it earlier. Change. Off now. No, I don't have line 5 yet. Nope, they didn't give me line 5 yet, so I've not been updated yet. I'm gonna go ask them about it. So, yeah, we get line 5 now. Yep. And I got a new student. He is flying on an airplane today. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. He's going to be on an airplane flying from Columbus, Ohio down here. I paid for the ticket out of my own pocket. So, hey, you guys subscribing, using me as a referral on y'all's application, it really does help me and helps my students that, you know, do get on my truck. But Swift might actually pay me back in full, so that'd be great. But you know, there's a lot of things I do for my students that you guys help, so I do appreciate it. Also, the Patreon is down below if you'd like to, you know. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe, and slap that thumbs up for line 5 use. Hell yeah. Later.